wanna go home, even if I'm always on my phone. All these people I don't even know, but
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another Fab Fit Fun unboxing. This is my winter box. I got it in the mail on Friday and I love it. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside. Let's get into it. So yes, I've already looked inside. I took a sneak peek and some of the products are really good, not gonna lie. So it's quite big again. It's like the size of the fall box. Rid of that. There's some like coupons, the magazine. Okay, let's just dive right in. The first item is a little face scrubbing brush. At first I was like, what the heck? What am I ever gonna use this for? But then I read the back of it and basically you just massage your face with this. I think before you put your makeup on. You don't want your face to be wet. Your face is supposed to be dry and it's just supposed to act like an exfoliator and take off all the dead skin. I kind of thought it was dumb at first, but after I used it, my skin was really soft, so I liked it. And it gets the circulation going in your face as well. It just looks like this. It's really cute and it has some really soft bristles by the brand Daily Concepts. It says this is the Daily Concept Daily Facial Dry Brush. Use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate lymphatic pathways and reduce puffing. I love depuffing my face right now. It looks like I could actually use it. And it says it's valued at $20, like the first product. Okay, and this is the second item I got. It's a little card holder and it's by the brand Below the Belt and it says it right there, and has a little gold detailing, little place to put your change and your cards. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't super excited for this item, but I've already used it once, so yeah, overall was not super excited, but you know, we'll make it work. This item was valued at $35. And I just want to show you guys who's joining me on the floor here. Chanel? Chanel. Oh, there she is. Chanel, you want to be a YouTube star? Yeah. Cutie. Anyways, just so you guys know she's there. She's adorable. The next item that I got is a little liquid black eyeliner. So I haven't used this yet. I don't know. It just kind of reminds me of something I would buy at like Walmart. So I'm not gonna lie, I was not really super excited for this product. I mean, obviously since I haven't used it yet, but I'm not a huge liquid liner person, so maybe I'll just re-gift this or something. Or maybe I'll use it, who knows? I find sometimes when I say I don't love something in the video, I end up using it a lot, so. Only time would tell, I guess. So this product was valued at $21 and it's by the brand Estetica. It says this high impact liquid liner glides on easily and stays on for hours. So once I try this out, I'll let you guys know how it is. Okay, and here is the next product. This is a apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder by the company DP Hue. I needed new dry shampoo, so I think I picked this one. Honestly, I haven't used it yet. I don't really know how this is gonna work because it's a powder. I'm kind of nervous to try it out. Oh, okay. I thought I was gonna have to peel that off, but it's actually just like a opening. So maybe I'll just try it right now. It actually smells good. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Cute. I think I read on the back that you're supposed to like let it sit and absorb. Okay, that's really white. I also read that you should put it in the night before and you'll wake up feeling like your hair is really renewed. Okay, yeah, don't put it directly on your hairline, but actually you guys, that worked quite nicely. I was a little skeptical, but you saw it, you guys, it works. And I thought it was gonna be a huge mess, but it wasn't, because it has just like a really small opening right there. You just pour it on like you just saw me do. So anyways, I needed a dry shampoo, so I chose this item. And one thing I think I'm gonna do when I have received all 4 boxes for the year, I'm gonna go through and review what products like I actually really liked after using them for a while, and which ones I would probably just like skip on next. So yeah, this one was valued at $24 too, just so you guys know. And the next item I'll be showing you guys is this mascara from the brand Ilia. I've never heard of it before, but I will say I've been using this mascara since I got it. It's really cute packaging, really simple. And one thing I like about it is the brush. It has like, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has like a rounded portion. And on the other side, it's just straight. Can't really see it, but anyway, I really like this mascara. I'm wearing it right now. It makes my lashes really long, because that's what it's supposed to do. It's called the Limitless Lash Mascara. It says lift, lengthen, and curl. This was another one that I got to choose, and it was valued at $28. And I honestly just picked it because I needed a new mascara. Rather than going out and buying one, I like having one delivered to my house. And a new brand I've never tried. I recommend this product as well. And this next item I was really excited for. It is a Tula product. I've never tried any of their skincare before, but I know a lot of influencers use it, so I was excited to give this a shot. It's an under eye cream, and it's supposed to help lock in moisture and brighten your eyes. So you can see it's kind of like white. So I've used it and it's really nice. I put it under my eyes and it actually does kind of brighten them because it's tinted a bit, and it's cooling. I find it depuffs them really nicely. This product is valued at $30, and it's called the Tula Skincare Rose Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I like this product and I'll be using it probably every day from now on. And I feel like this is the grand finale for the video. This is a big winter robe, and it's by the brand Summer and Rosé. Summer and Rose, maybe? I honestly wanted to do the initial reaction to putting this on for you guys, so that's why I haven't opened it yet. But you got to choose this product, and you also selected a size. I think there was like a small, medium, and then medium, large, and then a plus size. So I got the plus size option, which I thought was really cool that they included plus size in this, in their Fab Fit Fun. They're inclusive, which I like. Oh, it's so soft. It says, stay extra warm and cozy. I bet Chanel would like this. Oh, this is nice. Wow, I'm really glad I chose this. Oh my word, this is nice. Okay, I'm ready to hibernate now with my new robe. I love the color too. It's just like a neutral, but still cute. Oh, okay, I wanted to show you guys the robe actually on. It fits really well. There's lots of room for me. Cute little pockets in the front, which, you know, we love for our cell phones. And yeah, very soft, and overall, really like it. Okay, and here's the next item. They are by the brand Lily Pulsier, I think. With her cute little card. They are little ceramic mugs. This was one of the items I got to choose as well, and it comes in a set of 2. And honestly, I've used these a bunch already. I love the size of them. They come with a little detail in the cup, and they're supposed to be like hand painted or something. Yeah, hand painted prints and custom colors created in-house. So, and it's also a woman-owned business, which is really cool. It has a little gold handle. And yeah, do I look like I'm ready for winter? Really like. And it says that they are valued at $42. So cute. I'll be using these. Okay, and this is actually the last item here. I actually did an add-on because I had to choose between this and the robe, and I wanted both. I just did a little add-on. It was only $20 for this teeth whitening kit. Don't really know anything about it. Oh, it says, okay, I think I've seen ads for these, and I'm pretty sure you plug the little device into your phone. Anyways, it's gonna make my teeth whiter. I'm excited to try these. I'll let you guys know how it is. Okay, and that is everything in my winter Fab Fit Fun box. I really hope you guys enjoyed me opening this up for you and showing you what I got and letting you know what I think of what I got. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and comment down below which item you really wish you had. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you can see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Even if I'm always on my phone, all these people I don't even know, but I got nowhere to go. And you know I'm always fucking broke. It's better than being alone. Nights alone, since you don't want me. You said maybe I'm not cool like you thought.